We're making Hamburger Helper lasagna. In this bag, you'll need 3 boxes of macaronis, or 3 cups, and you'll need either spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce, a 15-ounce can. Okay, that goes in your package. Then you'll need a paper bag, and you'll need to write on it hamburger lasagna, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 cups of noodles, 1 pound of cooked hamburger, 4 cups of water to boil noodles, 1 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 16-ounce can of tomato sauce, or spaghetti sauce, either one. Cook 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Now, in your seasoning mix, okay, you'll write on your jar, Hamburger Helper lasagna. Okay, then you'll need 1/4 cup plus 2 teaspoons of dry milk. Then you'll need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Three tablespoons. It all goes in here. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of chicken flavored bouillon. 1 tablespoon. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon powder. 1 tablespoon. Then you'll need 1/4 of tablespoon of basil. 1/4 tablespoon of basil. And you'll put all that in here. Then you'll need 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper goes in here. You'll need 1 tablespoon of parsley. It goes in here. 1 tablespoon. You'll need 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1/2 tablespoon. You'll need 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese at the end. 3 cups of noodles at the end. 1 jar to mix it in. That's this. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef. You'll need 1 16-ounce tomato sauce. 4 cups of water. 1 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. And then you'll fix it for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Now what you do, you take your sack that's got all your directions on it. And you put it, you mix. You go like this, mix it all up after you put it in there. And then you put it in your sack. You fold it up. Set it aside for a minute. Then you'll package your 3 cups of macaronis up, and either your spaghetti sauce or your tomato sauce in with your macaronis. Okay, then you'll need either a Walmart bag, grocery bag, or any kind of grocery bag. And you'll put it inside there. And then you'll take your mix, put it inside. Okay, and then you'll do this. And then you'll put it in a dry place up to 1 year. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Also, you'll need 1/4 tablespoon of thyme. 1/4 tablespoon of thyme. Okay, and it'll be all in your mix, in your glass jar. Then you take this and you fry hamburger, add it to it, and then your cheeses. Okay, also, I will make a video using this when I get ready to make it. Also, I will leave the directions at the bottom of the comments. I hope you like this Hamburger Helper lasagna. Now you can, if you don't want to use the elbow macaronis, you can use the lasagna noodles. It's up to you. It's your mix, your powder, your stuff. So, I'm just going to use the elbow macaronis. And you don't have to use the cheese in the box. You can use that on popcorn or something else. And I hope you make these recipes and let me know down below how you like them. Share this with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye. I had to make this video 3 different times before I finally got it done. Thank you. This is Tawynia and Ronnie.